Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. Today we are going to start a new Django series, and in this series we are going to create a gym management system. Okay, so with the help of various technologies we are going to create this gym management system project. Okay, and of course we are going to create this project in Django, PostgreSQL and Bootstrap 5. Okay, we will mainly use these technologies to create this project. Okay, so as we know, Django is a Python written web framework. PostgreSQL is a object database, or you can say that ORDBMS. Okay, and Bootstrap is a CSS framework which is make our website responsive. Okay, so we will mainly use these three technologies to creating this project. Okay, so but also of course we are using the other technologies, like we are using the Jquery, we are using the HTML5, we are using the CSS3, which includes which Bootstrap contains these things. Okay, so in this project we are going to use these technologies. Okay, now let's talk about the features that what we are going to create in this project. So there are mainly three panels I am going to create in this project. There are mainly three panels. One is admin panel, another is a front end panel, you can say the website, and then the another is a trainer panel. So from the website, trainer can access their panel from the website, and the another one is subscriber panel. So actually we have a four panels, not three panels. We have a four panels. Okay, the admin panel is a default, the Django admin, that Django comes with the admin, that will be used as a admin panel. And we will create a website, and from the website we will use the we can trainer can access their panel, subscriber can access their panel. Okay, so now let's talk about the admin panel features. So in the admin panel, what we are going to create, as we know, we will use the user authentication, like you can say admin authentication. We will manage all the website data from the admin panel. We will add services, admin can add services, manage the services, you can say CRUD, services CRUD, then trainer CRUD, subscriber CRUD. We will use the real time notifications, okay, for sending the message to the trainer, or sending the message to the subscriber. Okay, subscriber here is a that who joins the gym, who do the exercise and all the things. Okay, and you know that what is the role of the trainer. Admin can assign, remove the subscriber to trainer, send receive message or mail to the subscriber or trainer. Admin can manage the salaries of the trainer. Admin can manage the payments of the subscribers. We will also create the settings where admin can change the logo and all the things. Okay, and these are the admin features. If you think we can add more things, then please add in the comment section. I'll appreciate that. Okay, maybe we will add in this. Okay, so so these are the admin features. Now let's talk about the website, that what we are going to create in the website. So what I think that I thought that we need to create a home page. In the home page we will use the banner slider, we will use some library for sliding. We will use the we will create the services, we will show the services on the home page. We will show the inquiry form. Okay, then we will create the about us page where we will put the content about the gym, and contact us page we will put the address and map and all the things. Pricing page, according to the services we will show the pricing. And FAQ page where user can see that the questionnaire. Okay, so we are going to use these pages in the website. So these are the website feature. Okay, now let's talk about the trainer panel. So from the website we will create a log, we will uh, let them trainer can log in from the website. So we will use the user authentication, and in the user authentication the forget password, reset password is also in the user authentication. uh, Trainer can view the notification and mark read the notification. We will add this feature, and this will be real time notification. We will use Django channels. Okay, and uh, Trainer can send receive email message to the admin or subscriber. Trainer can see the payments, that what payments he's spending or what salary he's spending. Okay, he trainer can see all the things. Manage the subscriber, but just only view the subscriber, because admin can only assign the subscriber to the trainer. Okay, send any report, if trainer want to send any report, anything about the subscriber, then he can send to the admin. So this is the trainer panel. Okay, so now let's talk about the subscriber panel. So from the website also subscriber can access this panel. So same, we will use the user authentication and the notification feature, send receive message feature, and subscriber can make payment from their panel. Okay, make payment to the gym from their panel. And if you want to send the report and anything about the trainer, then he can send to the admin. So these are the highlight feature that we are going to create, and these are the technologies we are going to use for this project. Okay, let me add one thing more. We will use Django channels. Okay, let me show you for real time notifications. Okay, I have also mentioned, I have created this thumbnail, and I have also mentioned the highlight points. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this project, I hope you will like this project and learn lots of things from the project. And please add your thoughts about this project. If you want to add more feature, if you want to add more things, then please add in the comment section, so that we can integrate earlier. Okay, so that we can make the flow and all the things. Okay, because I have started this project, and this is our first video, this is our introduction video about the gym management system. I'm very excited and I'm very happy that we are going to do this, and we all learn lots of things from this project. Okay, so thank you so much for supporting me, and thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like this channel, like this video. Thank you so much.